Hi guys, Station here. We're at the bonfire night. Sorry about the dark and sorry about the voice, because we're doing bonfire night. Okay? Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's right.
Sorry guys.
And then we're going to turn off the lights that you're all standing under. Then it's going to be very dark.
Just do it already. Can they already do it? Mama, mogę iść koło tam gram, gdzie się wchodzi?
This is the moment you've all been waiting for. Are you ready? We're going to do a countdown from 10.
I'm going to do it.
Let's have
Come on.
Counting down. Are you ready? 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god, Jack! Oh my god!
Let's have lots of moves and ours.
Breeze drifting on by. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life.
This is actually cool. Oh my god! That scared me!
And I'm feeling.
Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! That scared me as well. Oh, that, look at that red one.
You know how I feel.
Wow!
River running free. You know how I feel. Blossom on a tree. You know.
And there's like a football pitch. There's a, oh my god! Yo!
I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun. You know what? Don't you know? Butterflies all having fun. You know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done. That's what I mean. And this whole world is a new world and a full world.
Oh my god, look at these. I've got to show you these guys. Woo!